roughly a week from that, I closed 3 deals, like $10,000 in upfront.
An extra 3 grand on top of the 4K he already paid us.
So he paid you
more
7
like,
grand in total, this customer.
Yeah, for now.
Just signed another client for 2K monthly retainer for 3 months.
It was a 3-month contract, $3,500.
We finally hit the 10K MRR target.
Closed a client. $759 retainer for 4 months. I closed 2 clients this week.
I closed 1 sale today. $3,000 received.
Hey Vico, this is me, Stu. Listen, I just closed the deal following your script.
Thanks a million to this community. Just closed my first client for $1,500.
So I have been closing 3 clients in the last 12 days.
Closed 3 clients since I've been in the program. I already have 3 clients in the course.
Guys, 3rd client in the door.
Just closed a client on 1.5K per month.
Vico day 1. First client. Thank you.
Your content is amazing. They have helped me to getting a real estate client.
Yeah, I closed my first deal of 6K in the first 2 weeks. Just amazing.
Hey bro, we have 2 clients already and we have basically done the course. It's a full stack hybrid SaaS model.
We did $80,000 on SaaS last year.
Definitely go work with Vico. Hurry up and book your appointment and get him on the line. I'm telling you 100%. Go mess with Vico. Definitely go get that, man. Anyway, I'm out of here. Yay.
I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in ad and worked with hundreds of students and clients across industries to perfect this system. Now, here's what I noticed. Most people who want to start a no-code AI agency are usually stuck with these 3 things. Number 1, they don't know how to get clients. Number 2, they don't know how to pitch and get those clients to pay you a premium price, anything between $1,000 up. Number 3, they don't know how to build simple AI automation that keep clients coming back and paying you that monthly subscription. So because of that, they actually never launch. I realized that people don't need another video tutorial. They need a complete system. This is why I create the hybrid SaaS system. It's a combination between offering services and software to the businesses as a package. So here how it works. You charge the business one-time fee upfront, and this fee is high enough to liquidate our ad spend immediately, keeping the business at a positive high cash flow position. Then on top of that, we charge them a monthly subscription anywhere between $97 to $497 to keep the AI agent, the software, the CRM, and the automation running without doing too much extra work to maintain that. Now this works because our AI agent and automation are being set up exactly this way. It takes 20 to 40 minutes to set it up. So here is the system breakdown in 3 simple steps. Step 1, I'm going to teach you how to run a stupid, simple $15 per day meta ad that's going to get you high paying client. Anyone can do this, and we're actually going to give you our exact proven Facebook ad template that you could just deploy straight away without doing any of that minor adjustment. And the best part is we're going to give you a proven Facebook ad template that you can use to deploy in your agency and your ad account straight away. So Oscar here got 3 clients in the first 12 days of launching his meta ad. Now step 2, we're going to give you our word-by-word sales scripts and AI agent pitch decks that allow you to actually get an easy yes for that 4-figure price point. And the best part is during the demo, you don't have to do much of the selling because the AI agent will do most of the selling for you. Now let's just take Adam here, who actually gets 6K of cash collected with no previous experience of being in the business at all. Step 3, we're going to teach you how to set up this AI automation that keep people coming back and paying you that monthly subscription. Remember guys, this monthly recurring revenue, the MRR, is going to be the backbone of our business model. So Kartik here from Australia was able to scale his software business to 10K MRR, monthly recurring revenue, in just a matter of 6 months in the program. So these are not some random people. These are just a few selected case studies from hundreds of people that we work with. Look, I'm not going to ask you for a $997 purchase. I'm not going to ask you for $500. I'm not even going to ask you for a single dollar upfront. But here is what I figured out. You don't need another course that's just sitting in your folder that you never actually open. You need to actually build the thing. So instead of selling the information, I'm going to hand over the entire machine. And here how it works. Everything I teach, the Facebook ad, the AI agent, the client getting script, the automations and workflow, the very dashboard that you put your logo and resell it as your own, they all run in one software, that is GoHighlevel. Look, you're gonna need it anyway if you're serious about starting a business, any kind of business. There's no version version of this where you don't. So I did something different. GoHighlevel gives you a 14-day trial. I got you 30 completely for free. You start your trial with the link below. The second you're in, everything get unlocked instantly. The AI agent snapshot that you can deploy in 20 minutes. The proven $15 a day Facebook ad template that gonna help you get high ticket client. And look, if that's too much for you, we even have a prospecting script that you can DM people for absolutely free. The high ticket sales script that you can repeat word by word and land 2 to 3K deal of setup fee. Step-by-step blueprint alongside with an active community with thousands of members who are doing exactly the same thing that you're doing now. So you're not just watching me doing it on the screen anymore. You're actually doing it on your own with your own account with the right template, the right blueprint, and the right onboarding process. And on top of that, you're gonna get a one-on-one setup call either with myself or my team to get your GoHighlevel AI account set up in a timely manner. Now, here's why that matters. This free onboarding call is gonna give you and your business a runway to land your first client within that 30-day trial. Stu James here closed his first deal following our scripts and continue to scale his AI agency to 30K per month. Kartik here start from zero with no experience and scale his agency to 10K MRR, monthly recurring revenue, using the same platform. The first client you signed, it pay for the software itself, and then it pure profit margin from there. The software cost is fixed, but your earning potential is unlimited. This is why it's one of the best business model. Now, if that's not for you, just cancel before the 30-day, no question asked, you risk nothing. But you have to move now. We are early. Most local businesses does not have AI agent in their business yet, but that's going to change soon. Right now, they are scrambling to find someone to set this up for them. That could be you or the guy down the street. So you have two choices. Number one, close this video and go chase the next shiny objects. A year from now, you're gonna be exactly the same spot. Number two, click the link below and start your free trial and actually build something that gives value to businesses. Every single person that I just showed you, choose option number 2. This is not for you if you want a get rich quick button. That doesn't exist. But if you're ready to build something real, something that would pay you monthly recurring subscription revenue from an AI software that you only have to set up once and it continue to work for the business that you set it up for, click the link below and start your 30-day challenge. Your first client is a lot closer than you think. This is Vico Kang. I'll see you on the other side.